how to glow up before summer. Welcome to my channel.
It's time to elevate your look and embrace the radiant vibes of the season. Join us as we embark on a journey to unleash your inner summer goddess and make this season your most luminous yet. While an SPF of 30+ is a must, you also need to check your sunscreen to be sure it says broad spectrum or UVA/UVB protection. Once you don't have school anymore, it's very easy to slip into a lack of structure. Whether it's sleeping late, watching unhealthy amounts of TV, find something that gives you purpose and keeps you disciplined. Remember to protect your hair and scalp too. The sun's UV rays can damage hair cuticles, leading to dryness, frizz, and color fading. To protect your hair, wear a wide-brimmed hat or using a leave-in conditioner with UV protection. Summer heat and humidity create an optimal environment for fungal and bacterial infections to grow under skin folds, feet, and the groin. This is why it's so important to change out of those wet, sweaty clothes stat, especially your undergarments. Taking off your sunscreen at the end of the day is equally as important as applying it in the AM. Less is certainly more when it comes to your warm weather skincare routine. Summers are hot and sticky for most of us, so keep your skincare as simple as possible with a gentle cleanser, hydrating mist, antioxidant-rich serums, and a broad-spectrum SPF. Drink water. Summertime means an increased risk of dehydration. Making sure that you are drinking a substantial amount of water throughout the day. If you can't go to the gym, try home workout. Exercise improves blood circulation, reduces stress, boosts energy levels, and promotes a healthy body. We were all stuck in our homes, bored to death. This summer, take the chance to do something new, something you've always wanted to try.